Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect EETV Box Pro HDMI power and internet installation. To install and connect your EETV Box Pro, you need to link three vital components: HDMI for video, the power supply, and a stable internet connection. To connect an EETV Box Pro, link the HDMI cable from the box to an open HDMI port on your television. Then plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and connect an Ethernet cable or use Wi-Fi for internet streaming. First, connect to the TV HDMI. Plug one end of the provided HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the back of the EETV Box Pro. Then plug the other end into the open HDMI port on your television. Take note of the port number like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Next, connect to the internet. Wired, recommended. Plug one end of an Ethernet cable into your EE Smart Hub router and the other end into the LAN port on the back of the box. Wireless Wi-Fi. Leave the LAN port empty. You will be prompted to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password during the on-screen setup phase. Third, attach the aerial, optional but recommended. If you want to access to free-to-air terrestrial digital channels preview, plug your outdoor rooftop aerial cable directly into the aerial input on the box. Note, if you do not have an aerial, the box can stream most free channels over the internet, but a physical aerial ensures maximum channel availability. Fourth, power up the box. Connect the power adapter cable to the power port 12-volt on the back of the EETV Box Pro, then plug the power adapter into a wall electrical outlet. Press the physical power button on the front of the box. The LED light indicator should turn on. First time on-screen setup. Turn on your TV, then change your TV's input source to match the correct port. Example, press the source or input button and select HDMI 1. Follow the on-screen prompts using the EE remote to connect to Wi-Fi, if not using an Ethernet cable. Scan for channels and log into your EE account. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.